Hey, guess who's back for another Cooking with the Chef? Stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? We're back. It's me, the ThePhatMexicanChef, and we're back in the kitchen. Huh? And today we got a nice little pack. We got some soda, some baggies, and some salt, and 2 cups. Huh? And then guess who's gonna be doing this recipe with me? Huh? Huh? Do you know? Queen Chef! Hey, did you barely wake up?
Bro. Yeah, it's my early time.
Oh.
This is early.
Well, anyways, let's get down to this quick recipe. Huh? We haven't been on this channel in a while. Another snack we're bringing you. Got all the stuff here. So, let's get down to it. First thing you need, one of your favorite kinds of sodas.
I got root beer.
Okay, do the root beer.
Alright.
See.
So first we're gonna pour root beer in the little bags.
Oh, you need sandwich bags?
Yeah.
Okay, and then you need a bigger bag too, right?
Yeah. Alright, so pour that in there. Careful. 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 Alrighty. Shake it down a little bit.
Do you gotta take all the air out?
No. Okay. Let's see it. Well, enough for it to fit in the bag.
Make sure you zip it up very tight.
Yeah.
I don't want soda all over, you know.
The freezer, yeah. Alright. So then now we got our big bag. We put this in here. Just like that, just like that, just like that, just like that. And then we go to the freezer.
How much ice are we putting in there?
Just enough for it to
Fill it.
cover up the soda. Alright, that should be good. Okay, now we'll grab our salt.
Just sprinkle it on the ice.
Yeah, you might want to need a little bit more because that's what freezes it.
It like does a rapid freeze.
Yeah. Don't touch it or else it'll sting. I tried this already. I tried that.
Oh yeah. But I'm gonna touch that.
Okay, now dip it up. Kind of move it around a little
Pick
bit.
it up.
Move it around a little bit all over the ice.
Oh, that's nice.
Just like that. Then you might want to move all the ice over there. Put it down.
There out.
And then, just like that. Remove some little air. Pull.
Huh?
Really
Paper towels.
Paper towels.
You gotta wrap it with the paper towel.
Gotta wrap it. This is not just one paper towel. This is a lot.
Sorry, just wrap. You can use a towel too, I guess.
Yeah, we should have thought of that first. Okay, now.
There you go.
Now right there. Just right there.
And then how long are we waiting for this?
We'll say about 15 minutes.
15?
Yeah.
It says 10, but we'll do 15.
Yeah, because we saw some of them.
Seen and they come out kind of watery.
Yeah, so
We'll be back
peace.
in 15 minutes. Peace. Check it out.
Alright.
Off camera, we made two. We made one for me. Huh? Mine's Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
So, do mine first.
Okay.
Check it out. That's what it looks like. I wanna give it a good bang. Look at that. You can see it already frosting up. See? Very nice, huh?
Yup.
And we want to clarify something. This took a half an hour, not 15 minutes. Like the TikTok said it was only going to be 10 minutes. I don't see how that's possible. Unless you add more ice, maybe. But check that out. Huh? It's a slushy. A soda slushy. Look at that. That's beautiful. It's amazing. Just take a good gander. Ooh. That's like Circle K. Delicious. Huh? You want to try your root beer?
Yeah. Real easy, real soft, no soft.
You want to bang it on the thing. Never breaks it all. There you go. Look at that.
Oh yeah. This time it really works.
See?
Yeah.
Half an hour to 45 minutes, I would say. You would have to check on it. Keep on checking on it. You don't want it to overfreeze neither.
Let me just rinse off the salt on the opening part. There we go. Now we open it. Grab my cup.
That's fancy. I wonder if you could do this with any kind of drink.
Well, that splashed my eye. That's okay. We'll clean that up right now.
There it goes. Check that out. That's like a slushy at Circle K, huh?
Yeah, just let it go.
There it goes. Root beer and slushy.
Alright. One, two.
Go ahead. Delicious.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah. So if you try this recipe, let us know in the comments down below. We chef's gonna go watch SpongeBob and finish drinking this
Yeah.
after she's done cleaning her mess. Of course, you know it's me, the Fat Mexican Chef, and you are cooking. Peace.
Peace.